All right, everybody, welcome to VW Life. Today we got Martin in the house.
The Bearded Wonder is back! Makes my heart happy. His Bearded Wonder's here. He survived the Rona. Even though he didn't really have it, he was exposed. He's been exposed. Oh, that's a whole engine in there. To go to an engine.
Where's it gonna go? It's somewhere besides right from the
let's go. This is everything that goes in an engine except for the long block.
So today we are going to be taking the front end off of Old Spot and putting it on the 67.
So here's what's happening. This is a stock 67 beam. This stock 67 beam is going into the car formerly known as HB20. HB20 has one of those bad boy air cool beams, right? Tommy B. Smith's gonna put that in the race car, his race car. Then Tommy B. Smith has picked up a nice regular adjustable beam that's gonna go in Spot. So, because Spot's gonna go have a little drop on the front. So stock 67 beams going in this HB20, which is going to be a stock 67. And so that's where we're headed.
And these wheels and tires are going to be going on HB when it's lowered.
Yeah, so the BRMs are going on this.
So join us today as we take off some front ends and put on some new front ends, and antics will ensue.
Yeah, antics will ensue.
Ow! Crush it.
Look at that. That thing came down on my hand. I let it loose and my finger was right there. That's going to leave a mark.
All right, in order to take off the beam, we're going to be removing, how many? I think it's 6 or 4 bolts. And then this whole beam comes off.
Yep.
You just have to disconnect the tie rods and the steering linkage.
Because it really helps. Ready?
Oh god, that was tough. Just break it.
Okay, ready?
Let's try it. Go. Give me the...
Here you go.
All right, we got the top 2 bolts off, and now Martin's working on the tie rods that connect to the pitman arm, and then we'll take the front bolts off, and the whole thing should come right out. Should.
Lay underneath and do it.
That's easy. What? Don't put your hand there, because if it comes up, it's gonna. You know what I'm saying?
No, I won't come up that hard.
You don't think it will?
No, they just pop like that.
Ow!
There's enough room right here.
Yeah.
There you go, pop them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. Left.
He's not here. You're having to do this, but
Here it is.
sit there and clean it.
It's already been 2 years, huh?
Unless you take it up in.
Oh, crap.
Take, is it hitting everything or no?
Well, not right now. It's not.
Okay, we're good.
Okay, go ahead. Go
Okay,
ahead.
it was the pitman.
Oh, the jack's not even holding anything anymore.
Come towards left my side of it. Left my side of it. It was holding the pitman arm was holding.
Oh, no. Yeah, half an inch more. Okay, you're clear up here.
It'll go so much quicker if we take them off here.
Hey, Mad Martin, do you have some greasy stuff?
I do.
I have just the thing for you, buddy.
What do you have?
I
Is
have
it what I have here?
It is. You have the aerosol and I have the spray. Mine's environmentally friendly. It won't no CFCs.
It dissolves grease. It's super easy and super fast.
Biodegradable, by the way, too. This
Simple
is the
grade.
best stuff ever. Super clean.
So if you guys want to win some super clean, just put super in the comments below, and one person's going to randomly win these 2 cleaning products.
Oh, those are fantastic.
And they might be signed.
All right, so we're going to take that one and put it in here, but this one needs to come out first. And this one's an air-cooled beam from the guys over at Air Cooled. They make some really nice products. I'll post a link right here to the day we brought this Beetle home from Oklahoma. It was right before the pandemic.
Yeah, that's right. The day when everything was shutting down.
Or they were going to announce it.
Yeah, we drove up that day and home the same day.
Yeah. We didn't stop anywhere.
Sucks.
Sometimes they use there's like a
Pickle fork.
Yeah, pickle fork, but it's kind of like,
You end up destroying them.
it just kind of makes a mess out of everything.
We'll put a link down below where you can grab one of these on Amazon.
I'm your big, fine, brand new, high-powered automobile. Now you feel like a boat that's left the anchor dragging. A beep, beep, blast, another one passed. Volkswagen. They're in every spot in the parking lot. They're in every space. And they never change, they all look the same. They're every place. Red or blue, I'm telling you, that bug is always passing you. Before they came, what did we do? Volkswagen.
Whoa!
The jack moved.
You casually glance into your rearview mirror.
Do we have a situation, Gary?
Yep.
Dude, that one.
Look, yeah. Here, put it
not
on.
bad.
Come over here.
I got it right here when I was unscrewing it.
Doesn't matter. This cleans everything. Look at that. Oh no, we almost lost it.
We have the safety area.
This is the safety area. No expense spared here at VW Life.
It'll be about right there.
Yeah.
But it didn't work like that. But then you gotta get like a 6-inch
I don't want it
narrow.
that dump.
All right, now that we got the beam in and the other beam out, it's time to accomplish lunch.
Time?
It is time.
Fancy.
So this is going in spot, huh?
Yeah, Spot's gonna get an adjustable front beam.
Nice.
Video me doing all the work.
No carry for me.
Gary's putting the steering coupler back on.
Yep, hooking up the horn, Matt Jackson.
Now that the steering's on and everything, we're going to work on brakes. We've got some good lines here that we're going to hook into the drums and see what we got.
We need some new brake shoes and wheel cylinder. So we're gonna see what's in this beam.
Yeah, so we might be able to find them in here and use these.
Yeah.
We're able to pull the whole assembly off that other beam, and we're going to see if it works. Gary was able to clean it up, and
Yeah, and this looks like this wheel cylinder's good. So we'll see. And we got some pretty good meat on these pads.
got the drum on, getting the bearings and the grease in.
Yeah, Poppy.
Making progress. Tommy B in the house working on the rear window glass. How we roll, right, Tommy?
Yep, this is how we feed our line in.
And this is one of those, the little tube for your accelerator cable.
Yeah, the throttle table. So.
Yeah, throttle cable tube, and we just feed it in.
Yeah.
What am I gonna get?
If you hit it while it's doing it, it helps.
On that super. Does it look like it's going?
Oh, you can see it sucking in.
You're pressurizing the wiper
I wanted to see.
if it works. Alright, we're pressurizing it and see if it works.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's see if it works.
All right, here we go. Hey!
It works.
It's kind of like me. It needs a little more juice.
Here,
What
look, I
is
got
it?
some
And
more
he said-
juice. It's juiced up.
Here you go. Wow! Woo!
Because it should have.
That's on the Viagra there, baby.
It should have 30 psi.
Dallas.
Oh my Jackson! Oh my Jackson!
It should have 30
Oh,
psi
my gosh.
because it comes off the tire.
Oh my God! I've never seen those. I've never ever seen these actually work.
That's just
It just needs to be greased.
maybe wire wheel this thing.
Grease it up a little bit.
Gary's working on the parking brake lever.
Yeah. Well, you got a little bit of a problem here. Yeah, but look at it, Tommy. Look how short it is.
Yeah, but you're flipped way back. Don't you have to flip this other way? There you go. Oh, no, like that. Yeah, there you go.
Stop right too. Look at that. Yeah. Gotta settle it too. Oh, look at that bounce.
Good shocks on it.
You know, what is it? About 10 hours later,
Oh, jeez. Well, we did accomplish lunch.
we did accomplish lunch, and
Yeah.
now it's on the ground.
We're gonna put all that stuff.
Keep going straight. Keep it straight. No, turn it the other way. This is Tommy's sweet trailer that we'll be taking to the drag races.
Here, everybody just do this a little bit. And counteract it. Just bob a little bit.
I think we have to go up and down, actually.
We got a lot done today.
Well, yes, HB20
HB20
has a new beam out of Spot, and Spot is going to get a new beam. And then old Barry over there is going to get, we don't know where that beam's going to go.
Right,
The
we-
air-cooled beam, but it's awesome. It weighs a lot.
There's lots of beam moving, brakes, windows,
Yes.
interior.
Clutch. We took
Clutch,
yeah.
I was going to say emergency brake till Martin broke it.
Yeah.
Yeah, emergency brake was doing really well.
Garen's all proud of them, like, nope.
But hey, the best news is, look, there's space right there. HB20 was the harvest Beetle that for the harvest that didn't happen.
What we're doing is we're just basically getting it running, and it'll be for sale soon.
Yeah, it'll be a nice little 67, clean title.
I think it's a nice car.
Yeah. Thank you guys for joining us today. It's been a good long day, but it's good to get the gang back together. We're so happy that the Bearded Wanderer survived whatever ailed him.
Link below for stickers, and make sure you leave super in the comments to win some super clean.
Ooh. Thank you guys for joining us. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Live. We do this for you guys, the VW community, because this is what it's all about. Having fun, getting out, and getting these things back on the road. Go out and work on your Volkswagens, everybody.
Gaze at the rear of what was here. Volkswagen.